If your mirrors are droopy or the chrome peeling, you want to get them replaced. Aside from aesthetics, it's also a matter of safety that you'll need going down the road. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 through 72 Oldsmobile Cutlass and 442 outer mirrors. Available for driver and passenger sides, our mirrors are identical to the originals. Each mirror is manufactured from die-cast metal and case-hardened steel tooling for authenticity. The mirrors feature a stiff ball joint pre-assembled with the base that we developed to prevent the notorious drooping that many cheap aftermarket mirrors fail to address. You'll be able to confidently adjust your mirror and expect it to stay in place even after driving thousands of miles. At the end of the production line, every mirror is finished with a triple chrome plating that's sure to impress others. In addition, all of our mirrors come with the proper gasket and hardware for straightforward installation right out of the box. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.